Have you ever wondered how some teenagers manage to make more money than many adults? It's not magic. It's about understanding opportunities and taking action. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can start making money as a teenager, no matter where you live or what skills you have. By the end of this video, you'll have practical strategies you can apply immediately to start earning, save for your future, and even gain financial independence. I've been in the finance world for decades, and I'm here to guide you step by step through this exciting journey. Many teenagers feel stuck when it comes to earning money. Maybe you've been told you're too young to work, or you're unsure where to start. It's frustrating to rely on allowances or small amounts from chores while watching others make money online or start their businesses. And with the rising costs of almost everything, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But here's the truth. There are countless ways to make money as a teenager, and you don't need to wait until you're older to start. By understanding the opportunities around you and taking small, consistent steps, you can transform your situation. Why teenagers should start making money early. Earning money as a teenager isn't just about having cash to spend. It's about building independence and life skills. When you start earning early, you learn how to manage finances, make decisions, and build confidence. Think about this. If you begin saving even $50 a month at 15, by the time you're 25, you could have over $7,000 saved, assuming a modest interest rate. These habits lay the groundwork for financial success. Teenagers who work also develop time management skills. Balancing school, work, and personal life forces you to prioritize tasks and stay organized. This isn't just beneficial now. It's a skill that will serve you throughout your life. And let's not forget the connections you'll make. Whether through part-time jobs or freelancing, the people you meet can open doors to new opportunities in the future. So, what should you do? Start small. Identify what you enjoy or are good at, and look for ways to monetize it. For example, if you're good at math, consider tutoring younger students. The earlier you start, the more time you have to build skills and grow your income. Online opportunities for teenagers. The internet has opened doors that didn't exist a decade ago. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow teenagers to offer services ranging from graphic design to writing. One success story is a 16-year-old who started selling logos on Fiverr and now makes thousands a month. If you're creative or skilled at something, these platforms are your playground. Another option is managing social media for small businesses. Many local businesses don't have the time or expertise to create engaging posts, and you can fill that gap. Offer to help manage their accounts for a fee. Start with one client and let your work speak for itself. If you prefer selling products, consider creating digital items like ebooks and selling them on Etsy. For instance, a teenager who loves art could design printable planners or wall art. The initial effort pays off as these items sell repeatedly without extra work. Begin by researching what sells and use free tools like Canva to create your products. Traditional job opportunities. Not all money-making opportunities require a screen. Babysitting, dog walking, and lawn care are classic ways for teenagers to earn. Let's take babysitting as an example. Start by offering your services to neighbors or family friends. Build trust, and soon you'll have a steady stream of clients. One teenager I know saved enough from babysitting to buy her first car at 17. Working part-time at local businesses is another route. Jobs like waiting tables or helping in retail stores teach discipline, teamwork, and customer service skills. These are transferable skills you'll use in any career. Plus, regular income from these jobs allows you to start saving consistently. To stand out, always be professional. Show up on time, do your best work, and build a reputation for reliability. Over time, your effort pays off both financially and in terms of personal growth. Entrepreneurship, turning passions into profits. If you've ever dreamed of being your own boss, entrepreneurship is the way to go. Start by identifying a passion or skill you can turn into a business. For example, if you love baking, start selling homemade cookies to your neighbors. Or, if you're into fashion, consider upcycling old clothes and selling them online. To get started, brainstorm ideas and test them on a small scale. For instance, sell a few products to friends or family before expanding. As you grow, reinvest your earnings to scale up your business. The beauty of entrepreneurship is that the possibilities are endless. Monetizing social media and content creation. Social media isn't just for entertainment, it's a money-making machine. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram allow you to earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is consistency and choosing a niche you're passionate about. For example, a teenager who loves gaming could create a YouTube channel sharing tips and tricks. Over time, this channel could attract sponsors or generate ad revenue. The first step is creating valuable content. Research your niche, plan engaging posts, and focus on building a community. Once you have a following, opportunities like brand partnerships will come naturally. Remember, even small accounts can attract sponsors if their audience is engaged. Leveraging skills to earn money. Your skills are your greatest asset. If you're good at something, whether it's coding, photography, or playing an instrument, turn that skill into income. For example, a teenager proficient in coding could offer basic website development services to small businesses. Even charging $100 per project adds up quickly. Another option is tutoring. If you excel in academics or a specific subject, offer to tutor classmates or younger students. Not only do you earn money, but you also reinforce your own knowledge. Start by advertising your services through word of mouth or online communities. How to balance school and earning money. Balancing school and work requires discipline. Create a schedule that prioritizes your studies while dedicating specific hours to earning money. For example, reserve weekends for work or focus on smaller, manageable projects during the school week. Learn to say no to tasks that overwhelm your schedule. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to do a few things well than many things poorly. This balance ensures you succeed academically while still building your financial foundation. Starting early is the best gift you can give yourself. Every dollar earned and invested today grows exponentially over time. Remember, it's not about becoming rich overnight, but setting yourself up for long-term success. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Imagine looking back in a few years and realizing the seeds you planted today have grown into a strong financial future. Don't let fear or hesitation hold you back. Take that first step now, no matter how small. If you found these tips helpful, like this video and subscribe for more actionable advice. Comment below which strategy you're excited to try first. Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for exclusive links and recommendations to kickstart your journey. And since you've made it this far, YouTube has chosen the perfect video for you to watch next. It's on the screen right now. Click it, and let's continue building your financial future.